polarization produces. So what is polarization? Production of electric dipole. If electric dipole is present, means there is a presence of electric dipole moment. So when a dielectric material is placed in an electric field, it exhibits two forces or it exhibits two fields. So first one is external field, which we are applying like electric field, and second one is internal field. So internal field is nothing but field created by the dipoles, which is called internal field. So in the internal field நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், find out பண்ண போறோம். So listen, considering a capacitor gate, we are applying the electric field in between the plates. So dielectric material is placed in between the plates. So this இந்த ரெண்டு plates இதெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், it is considered as a capacitor. In between the capacitor, in between the plate, we are placing the dielectric material. It is considered a sphere inside the dielectric material. So if we are applying a electric field, this plate occurs positive charges. Am I right? This plate occurs negative charge. So due to dipole moment, the surface of the dielectric attain a negative charge, and this surface of dielectric appears positive charge because they produces dielectrics. So this part of surface of sphere creates positive charge, and this surface of the sphere creates negative charge. Now we understand. So internal field is based on four fields. So this is E1, which is created on the charges due to the plates, and this is E2, which is the field on the surface of the dielectric due to the charges, and this is E3, which is created by the charges on the surface of the sphere. There is also a fourth field inside the dielectric. So inside the dielectrics there are large number of dipoles. Each dipoles are positive and negative charges. So equal number of positive and negative charges they get cancel each other. So listen. So our E internal is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4. So our E internal is written as E1 plus E2 plus E3. Therefore, what is the value of E4 equal to 0 because of equal number of positive and negative charges for the production of the dipole. So we are compressed this equation into E internal equal to E plus E3. So what is the value of E? E equal to E1 plus E2. Now we are going to find out the value only for E3. So this is the derivation. So you have to find only E3 final number. So yeah, listen. So in the pointer A, B, C yeah. Actually வரைய அதுக்கப்புறம் தனியா வரைய அப்பதான் புரியும். ஜஸ்ட் நான் டயக்ராம் மட்டும் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். தனியா மென்ஷன் பண்ணி listen. So this is the sphere. So this is A and this is B, this is C. So this is the radius of the sphere, which is R from the center point, which is the radius. So let us consider a small part on the sphere. So the thickness of the sphere is indicated as ds. Are you clear? So listen, this forms a right angle triangle. It making an angle theta with this triangle. Theta. So R is the radius. Let us consider a small part. What is the thickness of this small part? ds. So this is considered as a right angle triangle. Am I right? So this is the theta of this triangle. So நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா smallest part க்கு நான் ஒரு theta value எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So this is the smallest part angle. ஆமாவா? அப்ப இந்த whole value theta அப்படினா இந்த smallest value நம்ம என்ன எடுக்கிறோம்? d theta. அது இங்கே கூட மென்ஷன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். என்ன draw பண்ணிட்டே புரியுதா so this is y axis னால இந்த இத நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துப்போம் y எடுத்துப்போம் and this is x axis னால இத என்ன எடுத்துப்போம் x ஆனா புரியுதா so நார்மலா என்ன பண்ணிருக்க ஹோல் ஸ்பியர் எடுத்துக்க அந்த ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் பார்ட் எடுத்து அதோட ஈக்வி வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம் இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணோம்னா ஹோல் ஸ்பியரோட வேல்யூ ஆயிடும் theta so the smallest part ஓட angle என்னது theta so listen so the polarization Pn equal to P cos theta which is equal to q dash divided by ds so listen polarization is the charge per unit area so நம்ம எதுக்காக பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம் smallest distance smallest thickness காக பார்த்துருக்கோம் so what is the value of q dash from this equation p cos theta into ds know the value of electric field so what is the electric field formula E equal to q dash divided by 4 pi epsilon naught of r square here also we are taking r as a radius so அதனால r square அப்படியே டேக் பண்ணியாச்சு q is it's up to your choice you are taking as q or otherwise capital Q and other substitute the value of q dash so E equal to P cos theta into ds divided by 4 pi epsilon naught of r square so listen so now we are considering this part only so in the surface மட்டும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி இன்டகிரேட் பண்ண போறோம் so இந்த இத வந்து எப்படி பிரிக்கிறோம் அப்படினா both E is resolving into parallel component and then perpendicular component. So listen, for parallel component we are taking Ex equal to E cos theta. For perpendicular component we are taking Ey equal to E sin theta. Listen, whenever the parallel component is used, we have to only use the cos theta component. So whenever you are using perpendicular component, we have to write sin theta. So listen, so E vector is split into horizontal and vertical component. So listen, in horizontal component there is two positive electric field in x-axis. So in considering Ey, there is two fields. One is towards upward direction, another is towards downward direction. These two are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So they get cancel each other. So we are taken into consideration only E of x. Listen. So what is the formula for E vector? E equal to last formula students. P cos theta. P cos theta. ds divided by 4 pi epsilon naught of r square. So now we are considering only x component, that means parallel component. So Ex equal to E equal to E cos theta. Substitute the values. Ex equal to what is the value of E? P cos theta ds divided by 4 pi epsilon naught of r square into cos theta. So we are writing as cos square theta. If the total surface of the area is considered as dA, so ds is replaced by dA. So Ex equal to P cos square theta dA divided by 4 pi epsilon naught of r square. So it is also considered as E. Now we are calculating value for E or E the find out பண்ணிருக்கோம். Listen. So dA க்கு வந்து வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சு இத சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணுவோம். So dA which is area which is equal to circumference into thickness. So what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So instead of we are taking 2 pi y into thickness ds. So dA equal to 2 pi y into ds. Listen, and then the right angle triangle பார்த்தோம். ஆமா. So this is 9. Sphere of right angle triangle இருந்துச்சு. This is 90 degree which is theta. இது என்னது? Opposite. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent. If you are taking sin theta which is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So what is the value of opposite? Y divided by what is the value of hypotenuse? R is the radius. So y. So equating this equation, what is the value of y? Y equal to y, instead of y we are substituting r sin theta into ds. What is the value of dA? 2 pi r sin theta into ds. Now you are substituting the value for ds. So let us consider that smallest part ds is the thickness and smallest part of the theta value of enna solrom d theta, this is the radius r. So ds equal to r into d theta. Substitute this value also. So 2 pi r sin theta into what is the value of ds? R into d theta. இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்பர் போடுறோம்டா 1 மட்டும் போடுறியா? So substitute 4 in equation 3. So what is the value of E? E equal to B cos square theta. And then what is the value of dA? 2 pi r sin theta into r into d theta. So there are 2 r of that. And then what is the value of E in denominator? 4 by epsilon naught of r square. So in r square get cancel. This 5 also get cancel. This 2 and this is 2. So what is the value of E? P cos square theta into sin theta into d theta divided by 2 epsilon naught. So which is in the term of integration. ஆமாவா? So sin theta d theta reduced அப்படினாலே என்ன term இருக்கு? Integration form இருக்கு. Now we have to integrate. So E equal to integration of 0 to pi. So what are the limits we are taking? 0 to pi. So 0 to pi is a semicircle. ஆமாவா? So if you are taking a sphere, this is half semicircle is for positive charge, half semicircle is for negative charge. That's why we are taking 0 to pi. P cos square theta sin theta d theta divided by 2 epsilon naught. What are the constant terms? P divided by 2 epsilon naught are the constant terms. And what is the term? Integration term? Theta. So அதனால cos square theta sin theta into d theta. So for this integration you are applying u dv method. Integration of u dv. So this is a greater derivation. So simply have substitute the value. So value of this integration is p divided by 3 epsilon naught, which is always equal to what? E3. Amaba. So substitute value E3 value in E internal. So what is the formula for E internal equal to E plus E3. So E internal is equal to E plus what is the value of E3? P divided by 3 epsilon naught. We are finding only E internal. Then we are move on to Clausius-Mozart relation. This is not a Clausius-Mozart relation. This is only a internal thing. E internal equal to E plus P divided by 3 epsilon. Already you know that what is the formula for E? What is the formula for E? E equal to E1 plus E2. Why we are taking only E1 plus E2 equal to E?
External field plus internal field.
So listen, if you are considering a dielectric material placed in an electric field, you have the value for polarization, polarity and continuous dipole. So inside the dielectric we are considering a sphere அப்படின்றது மட்டும் தான் இந்த equation பொறுத்தவரை extra. ஆமாவா? So ஒரு dielectric எடுத்து நம்ம dielectric field electric field place பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படினா அதுக்கான common formulas நம்ம already பார்த்தோம். அந்த பேசிக்ஸ்ல பார்த்தோம். So அதனால தான் E1 plus E2 equal to we are taking as 1 E. So from the basic equation D equal to E epsilon, that is the internal field and then external field. So E equal to epsilon into epsilon naught into E vector plus P vector. So this term epsilon naught E vector LHS இந்த பக்கம் வரும்போது என்னவா கன்வெர்ட் ஆகும்? பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூ கன்வெர்ட் into நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ. So common terms are E vector epsilon minus epsilon naught equal to P vector. Now we have to know the value for E vector. That's why we have to substitute this. So E vector equal So E internal equal to what is the value for E? P divided by epsilon minus epsilon naught plus P divided by 3 epsilon naught. So listen, taking LCM, so cross multiple பண்ணிட்டு epsilon minus epsilon naught multiplying these two denominator terms. So epsilon minus epsilon naught into 3 epsilon naught. Listen, so the term P common as வெளியிட்டு, so 3 epsilon naught plus epsilon and then minus epsilon naught whole divided by 3 epsilon naught of epsilon minus epsilon naught. So 3 epsilon naught and minus epsilon naught is converted into 2 epsilon naught. 2 epsilon naught plus epsilon divided by 3 epsilon naught of epsilon minus epsilon naught. This is the value for E internal. So now we have to substitute the value for E internal. And what is the basic formula for polar equation equal to n alpha into E. In this question we are taking E equal to E internal for this equation. So what is the value of E internal? P divided by n alpha. Substitute these values. So what is the formula for E internal? P divided by n alpha equal to P 2 epsilon naught minus epsilon divided by 3 epsilon naught of epsilon minus epsilon naught. P get cancel. So 1 divided by n alpha equal to 10. So divided denominator is 3 epsilon equal to this one என்ன வரும் மல்டிபிளா வரும். So 3 epsilon divided by n alpha equal to 2 epsilon naught plus epsilon divided by epsilon minus epsilon naught. Now you are taking epsilon naught as a constant term. So in this equation, in this term, we are taking epsilon naught as a constant common term. What are the remaining terms? 2 only. Here there is no epsilon naught, so you can multiple and divide with the epsilon naught. So multiple term வெளியில and then remaining என்ன மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும்? Divided by மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். Whole divided by epsilon naught வெளியில first term ல epsilon naught is there or not? No. So we are multiplying epsilon naught and then divided with epsilon naught. So multiplying the வெளியில அப்படியே remaining epsilon divided by epsilon naught minus of 1. So 3 divided by n alpha listen epsilon naught get cancelled. So 2 plus what is the value of epsilon divided by epsilon naught equal to